This is the elevator at some building that I don't know the name or address of at Carlow University, I think, in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an old elevator, modernized with Adams fixtures. Go up to 3. I don't know what brand it is. It's some kind of old elevator, but it was modernized with Adams. Whoa, bumped when a ding. That's weird. Here, 3. 3's the only thing that works. Here, 3. Go back down to 1. ADA phone. 1 ding. There's a certificate. This is called the Forbes Oakland Medical Building, apparently. Pretty basic cab. Pretty standard in case of fire in these elevators. Pretty basic elevator, especially because it got modded, I think. Here back on 1. Adams equipment. There's stairwell. Okay, and that's it.